On this episode of Off-Roading with the Rust Belt Boys, we're here in the Rust Belt Off-Road Manufacturing Facility with the C10 here. We built this from 67 to 72. This is the C10. This is one of the hottest trucks in the market right now. 67 to 72. We have the custom fixtures here. We have the custom-made inserts we did here that were done out of mandrel bent steel and some stuff like that. Very cool here how we did this. Just very spectacular truck when it's done. We build an average about 5 to 6 of these a month here at Rust Belt Off-Road. And also here we got our bread and butter. We've been doing them longer than anybody. The 66 to 77 Bronco right here under construction here at Rust Belt Off-Road. And then also we have the Chevy Blazer GMC Jimmy that is coming along here. We're up to 6 of building those a month as well. Let's go check those out and our fixtures for that. Right here behind me here is the 69 to 72 GMC Chevrolet Jimmy Blazer. The fixture here with the toggle cams here, and it just puts everything where it should go. Basically, this whole fixture is built in-house here. Very cool here. As you can see, I got the laser on me. We check center line for everything here and levelness. When we build, we double check. So when you get your tub here from Rust Belt Off-Road, it's square and level. And we can do that, duplicate these throughout every day here, every week. Now, we can build 6 of these a month here at Rust Belt Off-Road. This is the second most popular tub we built here, right behind the Bronco, but these are getting more and more popular out here as people are doing these. Now behind me here is the 1973 to 1987 Chevrolet GMC square body pickup truck here. These here are just becoming popular here. We're still developing the fixture here at Rust Belt Off-Road for these. This is the 4x4 version. So when this gets built here, we got our flat steel surface table here we're using to build this, so it'll be absolutely square. At Rust Belt Off-Road here, we're very excited about these new rolling chassis we're doing here. We just started this here. This is the first one. These start at $79,000. This has a Coyote build, full chassis, Willwood brakes all around, all the cool stuff here. Full cab top of something Bronco here. Now, we're also doing the GMC Chevy Blazers and the trucks as well, C10 trucks, even the square bodies. We can put the LS motor in it for you and get it, ready to go. Just you finish it. It's all ready to go. Hard part's done, right there, Will?
Yeah. Man, we do all the hard work here for you. Gas lines are plumbed, ready to go. Motor's dropped in. All your angles for your drive shafts are all done. All you need to do is really finish the interior.
Right, and put a quick paint job on, or you want to go all show, you can go out and put out, right?
Yeah. I mean, we leave these nice rims on here, so you can take them off and put whatever rims, tires you guys would like. So you're not getting ones that you don't like right off the rip. You can put your own and do what you like. So kind of a customizable deal. As
you see this configured here, this is about $69,000 as configured here on this one here. The Blazers started the same, and the truck started the same. You can add the LS motor, you can add the Godzilla motor to these. You can do whatever you want. You can put a Cummins diesel on these trucks too, which is really, really cool. They have that little 4-cylinder you can put in that's pretty badass. But anything's here's a possibility at Rust Belt Off-Road. Give us a call, get your project lined up for next fall.
So this one on it has the James Duff 1.5" lift on it with the dual sport Heim steering on it. We have done the factory style front rotor conversion kit on this. This one has a really nice PSC power steering box on it, which is one of the nicer boxes out there. James Duff shocks all the way around, and it has the T-Rex arms that James Duff offers. This one we went conventional with a leaf spring design, but they also offer a 4-link design for this, but this we stayed kind of a stock but better performance, better quality build. It has the 23-gallon fuel tank on it, which is a lot more higher capacity than the original Ford Broncos came with. So you won't be running out of gas going to the grocery store and back.
All right, so right here we're in the Rust Belt Off-Road body shop here. This is a Bronco here that we start painting these at $16,000 plus liquids. And the reason why we say plus liquids is this is going Velocity Blue. Just guess what a gallon of Velocity Blue paint cost is in RM Diamond base coat. It is $2,400 a gallon here for the base coat. It's not including the solvent you need to reduce it or the clear coat and the hardener. So you're right now, you're at least $4,500 in liquid just to paint this classic Ford Bronco here at Rust Belt Off-Road. Right here is the finished C10 pickup truck here, cab. This is from 67 to 72. This is ready to go to the show here at Carlisle All Truck Nationals. We're bringing the Blazer, the C10, and the Ford Bronco to the Classic Truck Nationals in Carlisle, PA this coming weekend. See us there, check it out, give us a call for all your restoration build needs here, tub needs. Give us a call, Rust Belt Off-Road, 330-533-4757, rustbeltoffroad.com. A new improved website is coming soon.